We'll get a quick flight with the Goblin. The Kopaku wing did pretty good, but it flies like it's heavy. So I learned a lesson on that one. That plastic tube is adding a lot of weight. On top of that, that big motor on the back as well. But it still has a somewhat decent glide. Let's go ahead and get this thing up in the air. What flew off? Was that tape? Something flew off on launch, so we should be very careful. Yeah, perfect, man. This thing's perfect. It's ready to get some a flight controller and DJI up in there, man, and just cruise it. Oh yeah, she's a cruiser, man. I'm not even gonna try to do full throttle on this one, man. This is our efficiency build, the 1450 kV 3536 motor. No, is this the 30? No, this is the 2826. Sorry guys. Let's go up, baby. Very nice. All right, we'll bring it in for a landing. Seems like we're rolling to one side. Let's get it in and let's see what flew off on launch, man. There we are. Oh, it's coming in. It's coming in too fast. There we are. Oh, it was our servo cover popped off. Huh, we're gonna have to epoxy this on there, man, from it sitting. We lost both covers. Great. Yeah. Where's the other one at? No, we lost one cover. The other one's still on. So we will have to epoxy this cover on because of the heat allows the glue to melt and for this cover to pop right off of here. This one's loose as well, so we'll epoxy that on there, no big deal. 2826 motor, did pretty well. 7x6 prop. Yeah, and we'll check to see how much power we used out of here. But this thing, man, we're gonna put our DJI in here and we're gonna leave this as is, man. We're not even going to try to get more speed out of it. We want to keep this thing light and efficient.